Alright, so, hello mga Mathsters. This is Miss A, and again, welcome back to my mini math virtual class where learning math is fun. So today, we're in for another fun mathful ride, and this time, we will be discussing about how to divide rational expressions. Now, when dividing rational expressions, parang isipin mo na nagde-divide ka lang dito ng fraction. So, meron akong simple trick, kumbaga, na parang expression ko to every time na nagde-divide ako ng fractions. And since applicable, same process naman yung gagamitin natin whenever we divide rational expressions, then might as well, di ba? Tandaan nyo lang to. So, drag me, change me, turn me over. So, ito yung unang step na gagawin mo whenever you divide rational expressions. And then right after that, you still remember the three-way process on how to multiply rational expressions? The vertical, diagonal, and the horizontal, gagamitin pa rin natin yun. Okay? So, nadagdagan lang ng unang konsepto. Again, you have drag me, change me, turn me over. Okay. So, let's start. You have 12m raised to 5n squared all over 5mn divided by 24m raised to 5 all over 25n squared. So, first step, again, you have the drag me, change me, turn me over. So, here is how you do this. Okay? Drag me simply means to copy your dividend. So, you have 12m raised to 5n squared all over 5mn. Change me means from division, you're going to do multiplication. Okay, yun yung change me. Tapos yung turn me over, ang ibig sabihin niya na ay getting the reciprocal of your divisor. So, just get the reciprocal of 24m5 all over 25n squared. And that is 25n squared all over 24m5. And there you have it. We're back with the multiplication or multiplying rational expression. Okay, so let us now expand the, ito, gawin natin sila sa mga respective na factored form nila by getting all their prime factors for the numerical, yung mga coefficients dito. So, expand lang natin siya. So, that is equal to 12 is actually the product of 2 times 2 times 3. Then you have m raised to 5. So, 5m times m, isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, 5. Then you have n squared. So, dalawang n times n times n. Actually, if you know how to get yung marunong kayo mag-cancel out right away, it's fine with me, okay? You have your ways. Ito, this is for the sake dun sa mga hindi komportableng mag-cancel out agad-agad. So, I'm giving you another option. This may take so much time compared sa pagkuha lang agad ng common factors dito, yung pag-simplify right away using the laws of exponents and all. Pero, at least nakikita nung iba kung paano talaga nangyayari yung canceling method. So, yan. Kanya-kanyang way. So, ito, longer method pero sure shot to. Okay? So, ikaw bahala. Alright. But anyways, 5mn. So, that is 5 times m times n. Alright. Next, times 25 can be expressed as the product of 5 and 5. Then you have n squared. So, that is times n times n. All over. So, 24 is actually equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Then you have m raised to 5. So, 5m. 1, 2, 3, 4, then you have 5. Okay. Di na kasha. Peace. Peace. Okay? So, ibaba ko lang. Alright. Now, let's have this one. Ito na, yung three-way process na vertical, diagonal, tapos horizontal. So, vertical, you have yung m lang, yung pwede nating ma-cancel out. Tapos, dito, 5, walang 5 dito, n, walang n. Okay, so let's go with the diagonal now. So, sa diagonal, meron, ganito na lang gagawin ko. Dalawang 2, dalawang 2. Next, may isang 3 ka. So, makakancel din yung 3. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. Okay, so makakancel out yan. Apat. Alright. And then, wala na, no? Dito naman. Okay, sa kabila. So, you have 5 right here. So, cancel tong 5 na to. Isang 5. And then, yung isang n. So, cancel din yung isang n. Yan na. Okay? So, therefore, our final answer for this one is simply equal to Yung natira dito ay dalawang n, may isang 5 dito at may isang n pa. So, all in all, that is 5n cubed. All over, okay, tingnan natin yung naiwan dito sa baba. Isang 2 at isang m. So, you have 2m. So, this is our final answer. 5n cubed all over 2n. Alright, let's have the last example for this part of the video. Okay, so you have x squared minus 1 all over x squared plus 2x plus 1 divided by 15x all over 3x plus 3. So again, the first step when you divide rational expressions is to use this one. Drag me, change me, turn me over. Alright, so you have, this is equal to, drag me, copy lang natin to. So this is x squared minus 1 all over x squared plus 2x plus 1. Change me, so from division to multiplication, and then turn me over, so baliktarin lang natin to, get the reciprocal. So you have 3x plus 3 all over 15x. Alright, right after that, let us express each of the rational expressions in their own respective factored form. So x squared minus 1, that is a DTS. So the product of the sum and difference. Square root of x squared is x. So the square root of 1 is 1. So you have x plus 1 and x minus 1. All over x squared plus 2x plus 1. So this is a PST. So that is simply equal to x. The factors of this are x plus 1 times x plus 1. Okay? Times 3x plus 3. So this is just a simple na binomial. Okay? Meron lang siyang greatest common monomial factor. So you have 3x plus 3. Common sa kanila yung 3. So ilalabas natin siya. So you have 3. 3x divided by 3 is x. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Alright? All over 15x. So 15x, 15 can be expressed as the product of 3 and 5. And then you have x. Alright, now let's do the three-way process right here. Vertical first. Tingnan natin kung may maka-cancel out tayo. So, yan. Dito, meron the 3. Tapos, Lana, let's proceed to the next one. Diagonal. Tingnan natin pa diagonal. X minus 1 to. 5 tsaka x. So, hindi. X plus 1 tsaka x plus 1. Pwede. Maka-cancel out siya. So, therefore, last step, horizontal. So, you have x minus 1 na lang naiwan dito. So, you have x minus 1 all over. Ang naiwan sa baba, you have 5 and x. So, that is 5x. And this is your final answer. X minus 1 over 5x. We will end this video here. So, yan. Thank you so much for watching this video, mga Mathsters. I'll see you in my next video, yung part 2 netong dividing rational expressions. I'll be giving 2 more examples para kahit pa paano ay talagang makatulong ako sa inyo na mas naintindihan nyo kung paano tayo nagde-divide ng rational expressions. Thank you again. I'll see you on the next video. Math is fun. Bye everyone.
And love is all we'll ever try.